There is the invoice, £95,878 this car cost. Borasco Grey, Range Rover Sport D300 Dynamic SE. It's got £8,500 worth of options, things like the 23-inch wheels, which were nearly £3,000. Black exterior pack, contrasting black roof. You don't need to go to Land Rover. You can buy this car and save yourself £10,000. It's physical. It's a 24 facelift model with a new screen inside. It's priced £10,000 less than what it costs only a month or so ago. It's physical, it's available, just under 3 years Land Rover warranty. Give us a call, get it reserved. I haven't got any new shape sports available on the website whatsoever. The colour, watercolour, Borasco Grey, very desirable colour. You can see that's a beautiful pearlescent grey metallic. Black exterior pack, paid for as an option, the badging, the inserts. The wheels, they're nearly £3,000. SVB spoke, 23-inch diamond cut wheels, split spoke with the grey inserts. The black pack gives you the bonnet and the black sections on the wings. You've got a contrasting black roof, you've got privacy glass, you've got the tilt and sliding sunroof, you've got the little mud flaps, and doesn't the car look nice there from the back? Them lovely LED lights, the contrasting black roof against the Borasco Grey, and the dynamic rear diffuser there as well. Car looks absolutely lovely. I'll just show you inside. So you've got your deployable door handles. In the rear, it's got ebony leather, so you've got full ebony. The seats in the back are heated. The seats in the back are all electric as well. You've got ambient lighting also. And into the front. So the seats, 20-way heated seats in the front, heated wheel, memory seats, Meridian speaker, digital cockpit. Now, if you just see the centre screen, below that is where you would normally have your climate buttons and your heated seats controls. With this being a 24 facelift model, they've got rid of that. So they've made this a lot more flush, if you like. So keyless start, I'll show you that in a minute. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, leather steering wheel, automatic lights, automatic wipers, things you would expect. Inside, you've got tilt and you've got sliding sunroof. That's been paid for. That's an expensive option again. I think it's something like £1,200. And then you've got this big your entertainment, infotainment screen in the centre. So you can see your digital climate control and heated screens is all on them side sections there, where normally that would be here. I'll just go into the main menu and just show you some features first. So you've got heated seats in the front, heated seats in the rear. Your climate control all works off here, so you can see it just moves along. So you've got your climate control, your heated seats, and all your different temperature settings there. That's the same for both sides. Back into the main menu. Surround camera system is standard 3D. It's also got park assist, which has been paid for as an option as well. It's listed on the factory options. And then you've got your Bluetooth, your wireless Apple CarPlay. You have, just slide that back over like that. You've got wireless charging there. You can just drop your phone down there. Ride height, all that's changed now because you've got rid of them buttons. Everything's on here. But like I said, for me, it's the £10,000 saving. Physical, Borasco, black pack with a lovely ebony leather inside. Great, great spec. I'll just pop the tailgate. It's in the back. You've got a great boot space. Them seats drop down if you wish, all electric. Just by the press, them two buttons, I'll show you like that. If you need extra space, them seats will go flush. So that is at the moment, the only new model Sport I've got available. Borasco Grey, £10,000 worth of options, £10,000 less than the list price. It's going live on our website. Any questions, give us a call.